Hey, most Time Lords and Time Touchers, me, Go17Mini14 here, and today I'm going to show you how to get your comments back online. Well, by that I mean like turn back on. So you mistakenly put this video is for kids, but basically you've turned your comments off. Well, here's a little trick you want to do. So what you want to do is you want to go onto here, click YouTube Studio, and I'm just going to do that because, so I can take you over, and it's going to take you right over here. Right over here. And I'm just spreading you out so you can see what's going on. So you want to come onto here, your videos. So let's click on here. And let's just say this video right here, this is the newest one right now. Well, this video will be new any second or later on. And you want to go into your details. So let's say this is your video, or you put it on kids mode, but that's the problem. The comments are turned off. Well, if you go on to here, turn no, it's not made for kids, and you set this. So when you upload a video onto YouTube, let's just say that you accidentally put this on. Yes, it's made for kids, but this means it turns everything off. It turns the comments off and everything. But if you put it onto no, it's still saved, because technically if you're playing like a game that's like safe and it's not dangerous, but yeah, and you don't want to, and you make sure you do that for all your videos. You click that. No, do not restrict my videos. If you're playing an 18 and over video, you would just click yes, restrict this. So always do that, guys. And then after once that's done, so let's just space out that out just to show, and then you just click save, and then that's it. And then that's how you say, and that's how you do it. That's how you make your video have comments turned on. But yeah, if you do have any questions, comment down below and I will try to answer them. But yeah, that's how you do it, because if this wasn't turned on, well, if this wasn't turned on, how else are people going to comment? Because if you say in a gaming video or a thing saying leave a comment down below, well, let me just demonstrate a thing. So give me a moment. Okay, like I said, there's a video I'm on, but I'm not going to show who it is or say who it is, because you're probably just going to start causing trouble. But yeah, if these comments weren't turned off, if they weren't turned off, then you'd be able to comment on a video. So you got to make sure, guys, every single one of your list of videos on here, always make sure to turn them on, so you can have people comment a lot of stuff for you. But yeah, that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and comment for more. Turn the notification bell on. Follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked in the description below, like in this video. And come join my Discord server. And yeah, and I hope this helped you out for today. See you next video, guys. Bye.